Alright, so my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in this video I will introduce a website which I use personally for my projects, and you can also use this website for yourself to download the icon for your Android application. So being a full stack developer or a mobile application developer, we focus on building mobile applications, and we don't have much time to make the icon for our app. So the one solution is to hire a graphic designer, which will cost you a lot. The other solution is to do it by your own, which I do for myself. So this website is best in the category, and this link is in the description, so you can just go ahead and check it out. So I'll explain how I do that. On the left hand side we have option for clip art. You can just change the icon from there and go down below. You can just change the color from here. Let's say I want this color to be in red, and the background should be in white. Also, the shape I like is a square, and then the effect is cast shadow. So I made this icon in few seconds, so I can just download it. And if I show you, this will be downloaded in all the sizes which are required for the app. So you can just upload this to your Play Store. So this is the banner, and the all the icons are there for your app. Also, here we have option to write text instead of some clip art. You can just write the name of your app. So let's say my app name is my app. So you can change the font from here, and then you can choose different colors based on your needs, and you can just download it from here. So I hope this link will save you a lot of time.